Nag-aanap ka ba ng cellphone na swak sa budget at maganda for gaming and also which has good cameras? Then you are watching the right video. This is Shammy Albeso and welcome to my channel. But before we proceed, please support my channel by subscribing to my channel and click the bell icon if you wish to receive more updates when I post, and so that we can unbox more smartphones and any other mores. What? Mores. So let's proceed, guys. And today we are going to unbox the Realme 6i. So just recently ko lang siya na-purchase. Just to let you know, the Realme 6i, it's the successor of the Realme 5i. So, level up siya. And if you're going to check the box, at the back of the box, you can see some details about it. The camera, 48 megapixel, 5000 milliampere, and the world's first Helio G80 in a budget phone, and of course 18 quick charge. So let's start and let's do it. Damn. Okay, the first one we'll be able to check, it's the small box, and inside of it my free gel case po tayo. Budget phone pero may free jelly case. Guys, saan pa kayo makakanap ng ganito? And you'll be able to see as well the manual guide, and of course the SIM ejector tool, which is located here. And check it out. Hey, welcome to Realme family. Very welcoming, no? Then of course, after that, you'll be able to see as well, let's embrace a new journey. Wow. Actually, this is my first Realme cell phone, and I've been getting a lot of feedback from from most of the people that Realme it's very good, and having a great specs and beautiful cameras. Wow. So actually I'm using iPhone, but just wanted to try the Realme because budget pero maganda yung specs. Okay, pahabang kwento ko. Anyways, let's set this aside, and next one is the phone, and this is white, milk white. Next one, it's the power brick and the USB-C type cord. For all I know, ito lang yung budget smartphone na may USB Type-C for 7,909. Wow. Should not mention that. Okay, so yun. Type-C na siya, guys. Budget phone pero Type-C na siya. USB Type-C. And you also have the power brick, which is 18 watts fast charging compared to the other charging brick na hindi pa masyadong fast charging. Okay, babalik ko lang. Then let's proceed with the phone. Ito na po siya. We do have, currently we do here in the Philippines, meron tayong three variants. The other one is, sorry, we do have green tea, milk, white milk, and the ocean blue. Yung ocean blue, it's limited edition lang siya. So, kung bet niyo yung ocean blue, kung mag-order na kayo sa Lazada now. Since limited edition lang siya. And let's pull it up. And wow. O, diba guys? Tingnan niyo siya. Wow, diba? Wow. It's like pearl, color of the pearl, and matte type na siya. Kung makikita niyo yung ano, um, yung Realme C3, medyo matte din siya, pero medyo magaspang. Ito, hindi. Mas maganda siya compared dun. And also, ang maganda dito, it feels like yung build niya, it's metal, made from metal. Maganda yung back niya na hindi siya makapit sa dumi. Unlike sa C3, it's parang dumihin. And hindi siya sa fingerprint. Print. Okay. So yun. Right, so in front we do have the display. It is a 6.5 inches IPS LCD display, 720 by 1600 pixels, with 270 ppi density, and this is Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The good thing about it is we do have a pre-installed screen protector and a water drop notch, although this is a water drop notch, but the advantage of it, it's a 16 megapixel selfie camera. And on top we have nothing. At the right part we do have the dual SIM tray with expandable storage, and we do also have the volume rocker. At the left part we do have the power button, and at the bottom we have the headphone jack, microphone, USB Type-C port, and speaker. And at the back we have the quadruple set camera. The first one, it's a 48 megapixel wide. The next one, it's 8 megapixel ultra wide, and next it's the 2 megapixel macro. Last one is the 2 megapixel depth sensor, and we also have the LED flash, and lastly we do have the fingerprint sensor. So ayan guys. And when you open it, yan. Para sa akin, smooth na siya. Para sa price na to, although 720p lang siya, medyo disappointing yung display. Pero okay na rin, bilis na rin siya compared mo naman sa ibang phones na budget phones. Yan. So we do have two variants. We do have 3 gig RAM and 64 gig ROM, And we also have 4 gig RAM and 128 gig ROM. And one of the best specs that this phone have, it's having the 5,000 milliampere battery. So wow, yun muna tayo guys, and expect a full review of this product after, maybe after a week. Titingnan ko muna yung full strength niya in terms of gaming and cameras. I took some of photos earlier today, and it's wow. Pero of course, konti lang muna ipapakita ko, and hopefully by next week you'll be able to check the full review of this phone. If you're asking, worth it siya? Para sa akin, it's very worth it for this price. Maganda yung chipset for gaming, and also best siya para sa mga budget phones today in terms of camera. 48 megapixel, and in terms of the RAM, RAM RAM or I'm sorry, it's ROM for the internal memory. Kasi kung i-check nyo siya, compare nyo siya with other phones like the Redmi Note 8 for having the price of 7,990, I think. And it only has 32 gig, and also, you know, Realme 5i 32 gig, C3 32 gig. Ito 7,990, 64 gig na siya. It's worth it. Plus having the cameras of 48 megapixel. So that's wow. So anyways, for the variant, for the 3 gig ROM and 64 RAM, it would be 7,990. But if you prefer having the 128 gig ROM, that would be for 9,990. Anyway, it's 4 gig RAM and 128 ROM. So yun. I hope you have enjoyed my video for today, and please support my channel if you wish to check more product, or if you wish to see more unboxing and reviews for smartphones and etc. Please support my channel, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon. Thank you so much for viewing guys, and again, this is Shammy Albeso, and have a wonderful day.